out here at Sand Hollow with Skeeter. We have to rescue Ben. He's stuck in the lake.
Out in the water.
Ben's stuck in the lake. We gotta rescue him. Hurry up. Get everything hooked up. Look at this.
It's suctioned in pretty good. We might have to use the boom to lift one in.
We're gonna save him. He's gonna be okay, but we gotta hurry.
So we're sitting here at the booth at Trail Hero and we get a call from our buddy Skeeter. So we're gonna run down to the beach.
He's messing around down at the beach there and said he might have gotten his truck a little buried. So we'll go check it out, see if we can help him out.
Go play a little bit.
Heck yeah. When in Sand Hollow, do Sand Hollow things. So we're in the blue diesel. We take it down there because it's a beast and the tires are already aired down.
Which means a lot in the sand.
Yes, it does. So the high side where everybody's parked up on top there, he's just down towards the water from there. I don't think you can get through here because they got all the rocks. So I think we have to go just past it and then cut over by where the little ramp is and then come back.
This is the only thing that sucks about these events. You don't get anywhere in a hurry. Jared!
So that's the Jeep we helped last night. He was out playing around and broken axle shaft, which in turn ripped the ball joints out. So he had a bunch of parts and some tools and doing some trail repairs. He was at the tail end of the job when we got up there to help him out, but it was still fun late last night. Some sweet buggies. Look at that one. That was cool. The bug. He might be fixing to get stuck. Might be one of those, hey, I'm about to do something stupid. Come, come help me out. First. Yeah. Pull out there in the... Picnic table stuck. Tide's coming and we got to rescue it. Freaking Skeeter.
Really stuck, you guys.
Oh boy.
It's one of the worst recoveries we've had at Trail Hero.
Pretty bad.
Thanks for coming to help me. I wouldn't have got it, I don't think.
We might need both rear winches and yours.
We gotta use the doubler, right? You guys gotta show me how. I need a lesson on these. I don't know how to use these. Alan showed me, but my attention span is not the best. So
you have another one?
Yeah, it's right here. I got more shackles back there too. This is a technical recovery. I need some real professionals. I'm more of an actor than an actual recovery guy, okay? No, I thought it'd be kind of fun just to take some Instagram shots, joking around, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
It's like you can't really recover anybody here because all the other Jeeps pull everybody out.
Yep.
Everybody has yank ropes. We don't get to recover anybody. Now I don't have out on my winch. It's only in because actually in is out. I don't know why my in shorted out. My out works, so I just wrapped it around and then I just go neutral. Direction. I just go neutral.
That's the most important, right?
Until you need to slack off and then you just gotta go free spool. It'll work for an Instagram post, right?
I think, your drums wound up backwards.
Yeah, it's because it wasn't working the other direction.
Yeah, it doesn't work the other way.
Wound it up this way so the...
Ingenuity, people. If your winch won't go in, it will go in. You just got to go far enough out. Out becomes in.
Wraps the other direction.
Where there's a will, there's a way. Just be cognizant that you can now no longer go out. You're only in or neutral. This is perfect, because I've been waiting for a chance to use this, you know? I'm too good at off-roading, I always recover myself.
Yep. But now you can recover yourself in style. But we're gonna need to pull it out.
Yeah,
and
can you get a yank 'em on there, or what? Now we've got this, so you want to use a stretchy, or should we use what's best for the picture?
Oh, let's keep going with this.
Oh, dude, this is...
It needs the extra.
Oh, his won't go through.
Yeah.
That's okay. You can just attach this to the leg right above.
Make sure you get rid of your Harbor Freight line and get your Yankum line. I've got it, I just need to put it on. We had a serious recovery going on. Totally not fake. Had to use my Yankum rings. Can you show me how?
The best thing about these rings is you can pull through multiple ways. You can go around the outside, you can go around through the middle, through here. And when you put two of them together, you just keep going back and forth between them.
Yankum rope to the win. Totally not fake recovery.
Real recovery, real customers.
Keep going! Keep going! It's coming! It's going! Keep going! Hey, we got it out of the water! We're good!
Ben's rescued.
Dry ground!
If you need your picnic table recovered, give us a call. Give me a call.
Thank you!
These guys are actual recovery guys.
Thank you, Yankum Ropes, for getting us the equipment we need to get this job done safely.
Killing me. You guys are so serious. So you're all rigging it up. You're like, go back and forth, back and forth. He's like gonna pick it up.
Oh, dude, I was gonna rig this. I was gonna go 2 more times too. We got 2 more rings.
Killing me, Smalls.
You're killing me, Smalls.
Back up while you're like.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Let's do a serious one where we're like trying to recover this. Cable was stuck in the lake. It's gonna get. Then people will think we're like, oh, yeah. That's what they really do.
That's how we use Yankum stuff.
So we got a call for this picnic table, got itself stuck out in the lake. And it was so buried, just pulling with the regular rope wasn't gonna do it. So we had to actually hook it up with the boom and break the suction by lifting it straight up. As soon as it come up out of the water, then we can pull it out with the regular winch line. And as you can see, Yankum equipment came through for us again.
But we did have to double snatch with the Badlands winch.
And this is supposed to be in there. Don't look. There we go.
There we go.
See, we used the snatch block from
See?
Yankum ropes.
Thanks, Alan.
And we didn't heat up the winch line
Yeah,
at all.
no heat.
Water cooled.
Water cooled.
It's actually cooler now than when we started a few minutes ago.
The in started working.
It started working
It
all
is-
on its own?
In is now out, and out is now in. Because that is wrapped backwards. So look, if I push in, it's going in.
That's crazy.
And it's technically going out. It's wrapped backwards.
Yeah.
So we need to redo this winch. This winch is a little confused.
College student.
Why would it be doing that? Short, some sort of short or something, huh?
Yeah, it's got to be the
Or it might be a loose connection.
brain or something inside.
Yeah, 'cause it wouldn't go in at all. Now in is out. In is doing the out function, and out is doing the in.
That's bizarre.
Well,
Yeah.
in is out because that's out. It's wrapped backwards. You saw that.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
it probably got pinched. And so
let
it
go
probably
back.
goes up and then comes right back. Like not very far in.
No, I took it all the way off.
I mean right now. Because remember before you were
Oh,
pulling it in
yeah.
and it was going?
That's what.
So
but
it
wasn't-
probably,
But it is working both directions. It
Yeah.
wasn't.
do you want to pull it all the way out?
Yeah,
Run
let's
it in?
fix it. Yeah, that's kind of weird. That's something interesting, maybe for the viewers, right? Maybe they'll run into it, you know.
Okay,
Okay,
let's
so
back
come watch this.
we back the Jeep up a little bit so we have more room.
Yeah, go
'Cause
ahead.
We want
Just
to pull it in under a
jump
load
in there.
anyway. Tell me when it's on just the last row.
Okay.
really weird.
I'm gonna laugh if it freaking stops working right as we wind it up
This
correctly.
Jeep was fully on its side when the winch quit.
Oh, really?
It was all the way on its side. Yeah, it was one up the
See?
trail, it's washed out.
See how it just swapped?
Yeah. Well, let's wind it in the correct way now.
Yeah.
You know, 'cause if it's,
And we'll do it under tension.
if it's working, you know, I don't know why it wouldn't work before for like a month or so.
Okay.
So now run it in.
Yep.
The in is going out, so it's still backwards. I ran it all the way backwards.
Yeah. But we just gotta go. Yeah.
Now you gotta rewrap it correctly. See, 'cause
Yep.
at the end it was
Just keep
wrong.
going. I just wanted to tie it up.
Okay, so now we're
Okay.
actually going in. So this winch stopping working and then now randomly starting to work is an example of something important, why you want to have extra food, water, and tell people where you're going when you're off-roading. Don't depend on these things. They're great winches, but they can just randomly stop working. I always carry a controller, I'm sure you guys do too, with the wire,
Yep.
so I can plug it in. 'Cause
Just in case the wireless quits working.
Battery
Yeah.
dies, wireless
Yep.
quits working.
I don't know how long this battery is gonna last. 2-3 years already.
Yep.
I don't know. I gotta open it and have extra battery. I should do that, you know.
Yeah.
But I know I have a hardwire controller. I just don't depend on it.
Yeah.
So, you know,
Yeah,
get
and you
some-
shouldn't.
For sure. With synthetic lines, you want to make sure that you spool them in under pressure. Because if you just spool them in by hand, on the last wrap, if you're only pulling out 20 feet or 30 feet to pull yourself out and it gets under pressure, it can pull the winch line in between the wraps and get jammed up in your spool. So for proper winch use, you want to make sure that you spool it in under pressure. The best way to do that I've found is to put the vehicle in reverse, just at an idle sitting like this, and then sit there and spool it up and guide it so it has nice and clean reels all the way across.
Winch line will be a lot better, a lot happier.
Lasts much longer. Yep, everything works better.
Worth
And
it.
anytime you use it and it gets all messed up, you'll want to pull it back out and then spool it back in under pressure again.
And then only that outer wrap will be getting ruined by the sun. You can always cut that off and redo your end. And then
Shorten it in a pinch.
Yep.
Yeah.
And some of them even have a sheath on the last 6 feet or so
Kind of
that
cover all of it.
helps that. Yeah. So
just
that's
a
what we're doing now. We're going to go ahead and spool it in nice and clean under pressure so it's all ready to go for the next time he needs the winch.
This is real professionalism, not fake YouTube.
Yeah.
Go ahead and pull it in. Is he going neutral?
Yeah.
Keep it under pressure like that, wraps up pretty nice. So that's like oil rigs. You always want to keep all the drill lines, all the winches tight.
Yeah.
You know? We always keep them under pressure.
It's better for the winch line. They last longer. They stay cleaner.
Yeah, it makes total sense.
Are you leaving this on there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I put my Yankum winch line on. I've been hesitant to put my Yankum line on because it's so nice and pretty. I don't want to put it on yet. I like to look at it. No, I'm excited to put the Yankum on there and then it'll
Oh, I
hold.
love them.
I don't like this. It's too dangerous that end, you know. That
I
was
love
good.
those
That was
fairways.
cool like 10 years ago. It's 2024. We got Yankum rope stuff now. That's what I need. Santa Claus. It's almost December. I'm gonna ask Santa Claus for one of those.
Look how good that looks.
Alan
All
Claus and Claus.
protected.
And the Yankum line.
Yeah.
Much better. Much better. So stupid. Let's do a closeout of the recovery.
So that went pretty good. It wasn't too bad. We did have to use 2 winches. We did have to pull it vertically and horizontally, and we had to use a snatch block, so we did a double snatch horizontal pull.
Nice.
As well as a vertical pull, but that went ahead and broke that suction. It was really good. It worked out.
It went about as well as this kind of recovery could have gone, so we're pretty happy with the results.
Yeah, and nobody got hurt.
That's
mostly.
right. Safety third, always.
Thanks for watching.
Is that your usual? Sorry. I'm touching off my foot. Is that your usual closeout? somewhat similar?
Sometimes.
So we normally do a closeout. Our editor rarely uses them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Most of the time he, like the recovery, and we start leaving and then he just cuts the video.
I don't know if you're catching on. I'm not throwing shade at anybody. I'm just having fun. I really don't want. Go film this.
We got him pulled out, and on our way out, coming down the